Give a kiss. You give a kiss. No, give a kiss. Meatheads, say hello to the world. Sherman. Sherman and Maynard. Two meatheads. Not more trouble than they're worth. Good guard dogs, I guess. We're reaming this size bushing out, this length. This works fine. This is a little long still, but it's alright. But what in the world do we do when we gotta chuck this one up in there? How in the world will we keep that from flopping around on the end? I'm no expert on the lathe, but I had to ask myself that question once myself. What we get is we take this easy rest and mounts on your deck. I'll show you in a minute. Adjust these brass guides to make it run true, and you lock them in place. If we didn't have this, a steady rest it's called, the end of this thing will flop around. You won't get a true cut all the way through. One more way to check it too. This is called a dial indicator. Mounts on here with a magnet. Got a little on-off switch. On, magnet. Now we'll move. You see here it's got a little spring-loaded indicator. Show you how to use it. Zero your dial indicator on 0 and watch as I move down the piece. See that? 3/1000ths off. Up on this end. So we take our little adjustments here, adjust this down. Now let's go back and see what happens. Aha, see it didn't move. You got to re-zero once you move it. But you want to go down the length of that without that moving too much. 5/1000th inch is okay in the entire length of this. So you want to get it. Looks like it's running pretty true to me. Adjust all these, get it perfect. If you didn't use the steady rest when you pulled that out of there to wipe shavings off of, like this, just the sheer weight of that out there and rotating, you don't want to throw it out of balance. That's why you have to use these. one goes out to all you pugilists. Pulled in this roadside bar and I bumped a shoulder walking in the door, and I turned around to apologize, and wouldn't you know, to my surprise, he took a swing and knocked my hat to the floor. Ah, what'd you do that for, son? Guess he didn't know. It's fighting, fucking, and dancing, and I ain't here for romancing. I wasn't wearing dancing shoes. This could turn real bad for you, boy. He said, oh man, I ain't afraid of you. 10 foot tall and bulletproof. Stood there with that stupid grin. Boom, caught him under the chin. Now son, you may be stronger and tall as an oak tree. You made a bad decision when you went and picked me. Now it's dark and I guess you didn't see my knuckles. Well, I'm sure you did, right before your legs buckled. Now it's fighting, fucking, and dancing, and I don't feel like romancing. I ain't wearing dancing shoes. This could turn real bad for you, boy. One time I heard John Wayne, heard the great man say, said if you don't respect your elder, you respect your better. Boy, how's your better today? It's fighting, fucking, and dancing, son. It ain't called romancing. I wasn't wearing dancing shoes. This could turn real bad for you, boy. Boys, I ain't the Duke. I ain't claiming that. I'll dust it off. Another notch in my hat. It's time to see me, boy. Show a little respect.